In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a one-product Shopify store. First things first, open your browser and head to shopify.com. Click login at the top, then sign in with your email or any of the available providers you prefer. Once you're in your admin, keep this tab open. In a new tab, go to themes.shopify.com. Here you can browse and install a clean, fast theme. For single product stores, minimalist options work best because they keep the focus on your offer. Themes like Dawn, Sense, Be Yours, or Palo Alto are popular choices. Preview a few on mobile and desktop, then add the one you like to your store. Return to your Shopify admin, and from the left panel, choose Online Store. You'll see your current theme. Click Edit beside it to open the theme editor. This is where you'll tailor the storefront to a single hero product. Brand everything around that one item. Create a simple logo or word mark that reflects the product's vibe. Choose one or two main colors and a clean, legible font, then apply them consistently across the header, buttons, and sections. On the homepage, use a bold hero section with a clear image or short video of the product in use, followed by concise benefits, social proof, and a direct add to cart. Keep photography and video styles consistent so the store feels cohesive. Next, optimize the product page. Add high-quality images shot from multiple angles and include a short video or GIF demonstrating the key feature or unboxing. Display the price clearly near the buy button and keep the first few lines of the description focused on benefits and outcomes. Use simple icons or short headings for features. Add a few FAQs and include shipping or returns info in a compact format. Keep load times fast by compressing images and using only the sections you need. From there, add essential apps. In the Shopify App Store, tools like Judge.me help collect and display reviews. Vitals can handle bundles, upsells, and urgency timers. And page builders such as Pagefly or GemPages let you create custom layouts without code. Install only what you'll use to keep your store speedy. Finally, start marketing. Center your message on the single problem your product solves and show it in action. Share short-form videos, run simple test ads with one clear hook and one call to action, and offer a limited time incentive to encourage first purchases. Collect emails on site so you can follow up with education and reviews. Then watch your analytics, refine the page, and keep iterating.